in which standings today as of February 4, 2025. For Eastern Conference standing, nangunguna pa rin ang Cavaliers. Pangalawa ang Boston Celtics. Number 3, New York Knicks. Number 4, Pacers. Number 5, Milwaukee Bucks. Number 6, Miami Heat. Number 7, Detroit. Number 8, Magic. Number 9, Atlanta Hawks. Number 10, Chicago Bulls. Number 11, 76ers. Number 12, Raptors. Number 13, Brooklyn Nets. Number 14, Charlotte Hornets. Number 15, Washington Wizards. For Western Conference standing, nangunguna pa rin ang Thunder. Pangalawa ang Grizzlies. Number 3, Rapids. Number 4, Nuggets. Number 5, Lakers. Number 6, Clippers. Number 7, Timberwolves. Number 8, Mavericks. Number 9, Sacramento Kings. Number 10, Suns. Number 11, Warriors. Number 12, Spurs. Number 13, Trailblazers. Number 14, Pelicans. And number 15, Utah Jazz.